Hey everyone, I'm Buddy Thomas of the SLACKROBATS. Today we're going to learn how to do Warrior 1 yoga pose on the slackline. I'm going to do a quick ground demo before we get started. Warrior 1 yoga pose looks like this. Arm variation 1, out to the side. Arm variation 2, fingers towards the sky. Alright, let's take it to the slackline. Get started. Hop up on the line. You're going to bring the floating foot to the line. Try to even the weight between both feet for just a moment here. Then we're going to bring the weight into the front foot or front leg. Slightly bend that front leg. You're going to take the back toes and turn them out. Connect around the arch of the foot on the line. Bringing the chest forward, bending the knee, moving the foot back. Nice and slow. We're looking at something that's not moving in front of us. Dristy point. You're going to take the leg back far, but not too far. Here's where you can have mats on either side if you think you need them for training. We're going to ground down into the feet evenly, distributing the weight evenly. Squeezing the thighs in and towards each other slightly. Keeping the shoulders stacked over. Keep the shoulders stacked over the hips. Keep this knee stacked over the ankle. Going for a 90-degree angle here. Arm variation 1, arms out to the side. Arm variation 2, arms up. Come out of this pose. Put the weight into the front foot, chest forward. Slide the back leg up, step on down. Hope there was something you can learn from there. Send us your ideas, your thoughts, or questions to slackerbats@gmail.com. Also check us out, slackerbatsacademy.com. Lots of fun training stuff there. Peace.